Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's take a moment to reflect on some remarkable events that happened on July 22nd throughout history. In 1298, the Battle of Worringen took place, a significant conflict that shaped the political landscape of the region. Fast forward to 1793, when the first recorded use of the word suffrage appeared, marking a pivotal moment in the fight for voting rights. On this day in 1793, the French Revolution was in full swing, and the revolutionary fervour was palpable. July 22nd also saw the birth of influential figures, such as the renowned composer and conductor Gustav Mahler in 1860, whose music continues to inspire and move audiences today. These events remind us of the rich tapestry of our shared history, filled with struggles, triumphs, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this glimpse into history, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating stories. Until next time.